Hello everybody, Andrew from Southbrook here. We are talking today about our 2018 vintage of our Laundry Vineyard Chardonnay. So one of our few single vineyard Chardonnay collections, specifically from Heather Laundry's Old Vine Chardonnay plot down by the lake in the Lincoln Lakeshore. It's number 2 on our little vineyard map, as you can see here. So this is the new vintage, the 2018. Really kind of interesting year for Chardonnay. What you're getting from that year is Chardonnay that's typically a little bit more medium bodied. This is crisp, clean, all of that sort of tree fruit, you know, that green apple, green pear, very crisp, while at the same time having that French oak that's really well integrated. So you still get that little bit of vanilla, a little bit of baking spice. I think if you are someone who likes your Chardonnays really big and buttery, this might sort of evolve over a few years. If you know, the longer you leave it, the more of that kind of sort of mushroomy, the oak flavor is going to come through. But right now, it's still fairly crisp and clean. So if you like your Chardonnays big and buttery, it will certainly sort of turn in towards that. But the younger that this Chardonnay is drunk, it's a little bit more on that clean and crisp side, which is nice because I think it's sort of, I like the Goldilocks effect of being able to have a little bit of both, of having that that sort of more fruit forward, a little bit more austere, and then also having that a little bit later on that extra depth of flavor with that sort of a little earthier, a little bit more of that sort of nice mushroom. So you win either way. Young, crisp and clean, a little bit older, it's going to really develop. And it's really great to be continuing to work with Heather Laundry. We still think she's one of the preeminent, one of the best grape growers, as she happens to be certified organic, but one of the best grape growers in Niagara, if not the country. And really lovely to work with her, and really fun to get fruit from an appellation in the Lincoln Lakeshore that's a little bit different, and a little bit apart from where we are here at the winery. So a little bit of that, diversify and variation. So to summarize, really fun Chardonnay. You're going to be able to enjoy it, on release, but also for many years to come. And we think it's a really great example of what I think, at least in my personal opinion, is probably the best grape variety we make here in Niagara. So here's to the 2018 Laundry Chardonnay.